Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Megan, just in case you don't know me already, and I'm back with another really exciting video. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a huge Colourpop order that I made on Boxing Day in the Boxing Day Colourpop sale. So yeah, I'm really excited to show you everything that I picked up in the sale. If you are curious about my makeup on my face, it is already up on my channel. I've just filmed with the Revolution Forever Dynamic Allure palette. That's what it looks like. But like I said, that video will already be up on my channel. Should be. And I'll leave it linked down below just in case you want to watch that one right after this video. And if you are new here, welcome. I'd love it if you stick around and hit that subscribe button. And yeah, let's just get into the unboxing. So, like, obviously I'm from the UK, so I did pay like tax and things on this, but it literally took around 10 days from the date I ordered it to the date that it arrived. It took around 10 days, and there was like New Year in between that as well, so pretty quick. I was really impressed. So the first thing that I picked up is the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Setting Mist. If you've watched my setting spray collection video, you know that I love setting sprays, but I just I cannot order anymore. Like, do not let me order anymore. Even though I really want that Benefit one, the professional one, but I don't know. I just have something with setting sprays. But yeah, I'm so excited to give this a go. Like, shall we just give like a little spritz now? Let's see. Oh my gosh, that mister. And it smells like coconut. Oh, that's so nice. Yeah, it is described as like a microfine refreshing setting mist for healthy hydrating skin, and it definitely is like a microfine spray. I'm definitely going to get a lot of use out of this. This is really nice. The next thing that I picked up is from Forfrey Beauty, and this is the Milk Moment Mini Milk Lip Kit. So you get strawberry and papaya, you get pineapple and coconut, you get matcha avocado, and you get chamomile oat. And I am so excited to try these. I've wanted to try them for so long. I now want to try the body one. They brought out body ones right after I ordered this. I want to try the body ones. So the only thing that I've done is with the coconut one, I've just done a patch test. So I'll probably end up using that one first. But I really want to try not the pineapple one, the strawberry one. I really want to try the strawberry one first. Like when I did it on my hand, when I like patch tested it, just felt amazing and so hydrating. It just like, my skin just soaked it all up. So I'm so excited to introduce one of these into my skincare. And I think the good thing about these like mini ones is they're all like supposed to do something different. They're all like directed to do something different. So like the strawberry one is like moisturizing, and that's supposed to help with like texture, and then this one is like supposed to like replenish yeah, your complexion. This one's to do with like antioxidants and fatty acids. This one has got a double dose of soothing properties. So yeah, I'm so excited to give these a go. Considering they're a mini, I'd just say they're like a normal size of serum, if I'm totally honest. There's like 14 ml of product in each, so I'm happy about those. Then the final two things that I actually picked up were the two vaults. So this one is the State of Play, and then this one is the Dream Bay. So I'll unbox the State of Play one first. So it's weighty, this, it's heavy. Yeah, so this is the pastel palette vault. I'm so excited. These are down to like $48 for the whole thing, which works out at like, I don't know, converted to pounds, it works out like £5.70 a palette or something like that. So I just couldn't not order them. So this is what it comes like. Absolutely love this packaging with the foiled stars and clouds and lightning. Then it opens up and it looks like this, and all your palettes kind of slide out. Then the other half looks like this. So yeah, I'm going to put it down because it's very heavy. So the first one that you get in the vault is called Cloud Spoon. And let's take a look at this. This has got really cute packaging. It's pink. Oh my gosh. This is like a pink person's dream. This looks amazing. That glitter in the middle looks stunning. And that's what Cloud Spoon looks like. So I think you get... yeah, so you get 4 mattes, 4 shimmers and a glitter, which I think is a really good ratio. So another thing that I really like about Colourpop's eyeshadow palettes is normally they've got like 4 or 5 mattes and then the rest shimmers. So I'm super excited. I'm definitely going to be trying out all these out on my channel, so let me know in the comments down below which palette you'd like me to start with. Next in the vault you get Baby Got Peach. This is my Baby Got Peach. I actually sold the Baby Got Peach that came in there because I obviously already had it. Absolutely love this palette. You get 5 mattes, 3 shimmers and a glitter, and that's what that palette looks like. Just swatch this like glitter because I'm just obsessed with it. Like, I just think it's actually stunning. It's such a pretty glitter. Absolutely love it. I did actually do a video on this recently, so I will leave it linked down below for you to check out right after this video. I kind of like the look that I did, I'm not gonna lie. So Baby Got Peach, and I use this quite a lot actually. I love a peach look. So the next palette that you get is Going Coconuts. Love all the packaging. I'm so excited to try this one, I'm not gonna lie. My friend Lizzie Demetrio from channel Lizzie Demetrio, she recently did a video on this and it looks absolutely stunning. So in this you get 5 mattes and 4 shimmers, and that is what it looks like. It's perfect neutral kind of cool tone, which is just a bit of me. This palette just looks like a bit of me. Absolutely love it. I cannot wait to give this a go. I'm so excited. Next in the vault you get the Mint to Be palette, and let's see, yeah, so once again you get the 5 mattes and 4 shimmers, and that's what that looks like. Really nice, really nice colours actually. I really like them. I'm really excited to try this. I'm really curious about it too because I'm not gonna lie, I haven't heard the best reviews on this palette, which is kind of why I ordered the elf one, the elf mint one. So just in case I don't like this, I have the elf one if I want like a pop of mint. But yeah, and I will be trying the elf one as well. Next in the vault you get Enclave Blue. That's what that looks like right there. Absolutely beautiful. I think that's stunning. You're gonna get some really nice blue looks out of that. I love that. I love it because it's like quite a deep shade with light shades, inner corner shades. Love it. Love it. I'm excited to give this a go. This will look like really nice with if you paint some like clouds on, you know, if you get like a bit creative, do like a blue look, some clouds. Yeah, I'm feeling it. I like it. I like it a lot. Speaking of like you a lot, this is the Lilac Q a lot.
I love saying that. Oh, I like you a lot.
That's so fun to say. So yeah, 5 mattes, 4 shimmers, and that's what that palette looks like. It's perfect. I think it's such a nice cross between like purple and lilac. Oh, I'm just so excited to try them all. So yeah, that's all 6 palettes that you get in the pastel collection. So yeah, let's move on to the Dream Big. So yeah, this has got the same kind of marble kind of design with the foil on it. So this is the monochromatic set and it opens up the exact same as the other one. So yeah, let's just get into it. First one you get is called Main Squeeze, and this is like a red one. Well, I presume it's a red one. Yeah, so it's like a red one. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, so you get the 5 mattes and 4 shimmers, and that's what that one looks like. This looks really nice actually. I'm really surprised at this. I'll definitely get some use out of that. I'm really surprised at how much you actually like that colour story. So next I've got the Orangey Glad palette. Oh, this looks stunning. Yeah, so this one you actually get 5 mattes, 2 shimmers and 1 glitter, and that's what that looks like. I think it's a glitter, I can't tell. It's very well pressed if it is a glitter. But yeah, that's what the palette looks like. I'm obsessed with this. This is beautiful. I love it. Next you get honey. I think that's how you say it.
Honey?
Honey. Something like that. Oh, I don't know. So this one you get 1, 2, 3, 4 mattes, 3 shimmers and 1 pressed glitter. That's okay. No, I'm totally lying. Totally lying. You get 5 mattes, 3 shimmers and 1 pressed glitter. That pressed glitter looks absolutely stunning, and that's what the palette looks like. The colour story looks beautiful. Yeah, this looks really nice. I'm excited to use that like little mustard kind of shade at the bottom. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. I love it. Next we've got Just My Look. Cute packaging. Green monochromatic palette. And let's see, so we've got the same 5 mattes and 4 shimmers, and that's what that one looks like. Oh, that middle shade looks like a really fun lime shade, doesn't it? This palette actually looks like pretty dark, like compared to some of the others. Like the shades look pretty deep, but I'm so excited to give this one a go. I'm excited to try them all out. Like, I'm just not going to be able to decide what I test out first. I know that. I know I'm just not going to be able to decide. That's why you just need me to help me out. Next in the vault is Blue Moon, which I'm presuming is going to be a blue palette. Wow, this is blue. Oh my gosh, this makes me think of my friend Jodie. I will leave her channel link down below because she absolutely loves blue eyeshadow, and she would absolutely love this palette, and that's what that looks like. And once again you get the 4 shimmers and 5 mattes, which I love. That ratio, perfect inner corner shade. This is stunning. Oh, I'm really excited to give that one a go. I don't know why blue eyeshadow scares me, but I always really love the looks that I do with blue eyeshadow, so I don't know. Me and blue have a funny relationship, but we're working on it. And then the final thing in my vault and the final thing in my order is the It's My Pleasure palette, and this is what it looks like. Oh, let's see. Now this one you only get the 3 mattes and then you get the 6 shimmers. So yeah, 3 mattes and 6 shimmers. Not sure how I feel about that, I'm not gonna lie. Why can't we have some more mattes? Colourpop, as soon as we have more mattes in the other palettes, but you can't have everything, can you? Still gonna create some like really beautiful looks. This shade down here just looks so interesting. Yeah, I'm excited to give this one a go. And that's all of the palettes from the Dream Big vault. So I'm so excited to test out all these palettes and create some looks with them. And yeah, I'm so excited. So I'd love it if you'd leave me a comment, help me out a little bit, let me know which one you'd like to see on my channel first, and I can do that for you. And yeah, so that's everything in my haul. I definitely went big in the Boxing Day haul for Colourpop, but everything was on offer, everything had a deal, and I did, I just went and bought it. And if you did enjoy this video, make sure you hit that like button. And if you did enjoy this video, I do have a bunch of haul videos on my channel, so I will leave the playlist link down below if you want to go ahead and check those out. And I love it if you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.